Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Pinterest boards organized and your creative ideas flowing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the updated steps on how to add a pin to an existing collage on Pinterest. Whether you're curating inspiration for a project or just love keeping things neat, this quick guide will help you master this feature in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. You'll find your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give it a tap, and you'll be taken to your personal Pinterest space, where all your pins and boards live. Next, look for the section labeled Pins. This is where all the images, ideas, and inspirations you've saved are stored. Tap on Pins to view your collection. Now scroll through your pins and find the one you want to add to a collage. Once you spot it, tap on that pin to open it up. With your chosen pin open, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. This is your menu for more options. Tap on those 3 dots to reveal a list of actions you can take with this pin. From the menu that appears, select Add to Collage. This is the feature that lets you combine your favorite pins into one visual masterpiece. After you tap Add to Collage, you'll see a list of your existing collages. Browse through the list and select the collage where you want this pin to appear. With just one more tap, your pin will be added to the collage you chose. And that's it. You've successfully added a pin to an existing collage on Pinterest. This feature is perfect for keeping your ideas grouped together and making your boards even more inspiring. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!